gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, welcome back. We're here in the old little secret spot. I'm here with young Bill. How you going, Bill?
Good.
And we are just doing a little bit of crabbing today. We've got the 3 pots. We're coming back. Yeah, we're doing some fishing too, isn't that right? Coming back to the same spot that we were successful last week. Slightly different at tides, but we're hoping the water was going to be a bit cleaner, but it's still looking fairly dirty. Oh no, yeah, the march flies are trying to get daddy. So yeah, we're just about to head up to where we caught the bass last week, and we'll have a little troll, and then we'll float some liveys, and we'll just give it a go. Yeah, come along. We are in for a chance here, ladies and gentlemen. What do we got here, Bibs? Oh, we've hit a bloody... Gee whiz, that's a first. Puffer fish on the troll. Unbelievable. Right, let's keep going, Bibs. Get this bloody thing off. There we go. Get that back out.
Papa fish down under.
Ah, that's what I was thinking. What's that puffer fish doing on there, the rascal? Alright, here we go. Oh yes! 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 It's a monster one! It's a monster, Bibs! It's a monster!
I know there was a crab in there.
It is a monster! It is a monster, Bibs! Have a look at that! What a big fella! Now just wait there.
But he's not.
He isn't going back.
He's not gonna. Yeah, he's trying to get in the net.
Yes, big boy! There goes that! High five! You beauty! Alrighty. What do we got here? What do we got? Is it heavy? Feels heavy. Feels heavy. Feels heavy. Nothing. Alright. We'll move this one. That's the way, wind him up. Keep going. Keep going, big boy. Ah, good work. I think we should go and check the pots now, hey?
I'm gonna big fish on this one.
We might not have one, he might have got off. Might be a little one. Oh, yeah, we got a little catty. That's enough. That's enough. Little catfish. Little rascal. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah, you're good at catching catties, aren't you? Got that? No. It's a bit of a tough day at the office today, wasn't it, Bill? A little bit sleepy boy on the way back there. Only one crab, a pufferfish on the troll. Unbelievable football, really. What else did we get, Bibs? Oh, you got a caddy, Bibs. You're getting good at catching those caddies. And yeah, just not really. I haven't seemed to work out the tides, these tides for fishing shoalbow. I'm good at the big ones. Not great at the neeps, unfortunately, but that's okay. Still one monster crab there that we are very happy with, aren't we, Bibs? So we'll just count our blessings. One nice crabby. Thanks for coming along.